sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. Y'all, I know I do a lot of reviews, I talk about a lot of hair, but this might be the wig. Okay, I'm absolutely loving the creativity when it comes to these headband wigs slash half wigs, whatever y'all want to call them. I love how quick and convenient they are, but this wig takes these headband wigs to another level. So of course, as you already saw me introducing this wig and showing you exactly how I style this wig, y'all know I pretty much use the same products when it comes to styling my curly wigs. I'm telling you, once you get a good product that pretty much gets your curls looking good and in formation and they can actually stay, I pretty much just typically use the same products every time, because I know a lot of people ask me, do I switch up the products or what type of products to use? So of course, go ahead and write down and jot down the products that I already showed you in this video and add those to your list. You will not go wrong when it comes to your curly wig units. Now y'all, this unit is going to be from HerGivenHair. I'm just pulling my notes up right here just so I can give it to you just like I need to. I might be a little excited. I don't know if it's because my birthday is coming up. I feel like I'm about to be stepping into a new level of womanhood. There's a lot of great things happening around me, but my energy is on 10 and I love it. Oh my goodness. So this unit that I am going to be talking about is going to be the Brown Your Coil Ends headband wig. As you can see, this is not a typical headband wig that you normally see because they went ahead and added some bangs to the wig. So you can see right here, this is the headband piece. And then of course they already attached the bangs. Innovative, I love it. So the hair texture of this wig is going to be the Coily texture. The Coily texture matches that 3C/4A natural hair texture. The length of this wig is going to be 16 inches. So it's like right here to my shoulders. And then of course the wig cap is going to be in a standard average size, which is a size medium. And usually I am between a medium and a large, but this one actually fits really nice. And of course I've already showed you the construction of the wig. So this wig does come with the elastic band. So if your wigs may fit a little too snug, you can adjust the bands, or if there is fitting a little too loose, of course you can make the bands a little tighter. So as you can see from me just putting this wig on, y'all, when I tell you after you go ahead and define the curls, this is literally a 60-second install. And I am not even exaggerating. I literally just, my hair is back into a ponytail, and I went ahead and put a wig stocking cap on. I don't have to use a wig cap if you don't want to, but to me, I like to use them just to go ahead and further lay the rest of my hair down and make sure everything is all laid in together under my wig. And I just put this wig on, put the clips inside of my hair, and this is what we got. 60 seconds and you are good and out the door. So this is for my people that don't like to rush in the morning. They want to add a little bit of extra sleep before they actually get up and have to do what they need to do. This is for my ladies that would like to protect their hair, because of course we know that wigs are a protective style for our natural hair. Then not only that, to me, this is a full complete protective style because it covers your edge. You don't have to worry about leaving out your edges like sometimes we would do with our half wig. This wig is pretty much protecting your hair fully without any glue, no lace. You don't have to worry about any gels, none of that. This is a full, complete protective style. This is definitely going to be a wig for my beginners. Anybody that is looking into transitioning over to the wig side and you don't want to try to lace and you want to get something that is easy to manage and something that you can pretty much do in the matter of minutes, I'm telling you, this is going to be the wig for you. I'm loving this wig. And it's the color. As you can see, it transitions from the black and then it transitions and fades into a brown, I want to say this is probably like a 30 and a 33 mix, but I just love the way they mixed it. And then when I got the wig, I was thinking that, you know, they would add a little bit of the color in the bang area, but I actually like that they didn't add color to the bang area because it looks a little bit more natural without having all of that color, you know, hanging across your face. This wig is pretty much just ready to go out of the pack, but y'all know me, like I said, I have to go ahead and define my curls. I did just condition the hair. I didn't have to wash it. It didn't have any bad smells to it. I just like to go ahead and wash it just to get the curls out of that uniform state. Did my curly girl routine, throw this on in 60 seconds, and I am good to go. This is going to be one of those go-to wigs that you could just pull out of your closet where you have somewhere to go and you don't want to have to think about a hairdo for too long, and it's just something that you just instantly just think about and you can go and you can grab it. This is a go-to. Y'all know how I feel about HerGivenHair. Is one of my top favorite companies. Yes, it is. I've worked with them long enough to actually stand on that. I'm telling you that you get your money's worth with what you pay for. These wigs last a very, very long time. So how would you feel about paying $300 every 2 months to get your hair done for a whole year versus just paying $300 for one wig that's going to last you multiple years? Oh wait. That's how you have to think about it. When you think about finances and you think about investing, whether it's just investing in a wig and some hair, you have to think about it long term like that. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling too much. I think I'm really feeling myself. So y'all know I'm gonna put all the information down in the description box for HerGivenHair. Thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. Could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.